Hey, so if you've got long PDFs, articles, or notes and don't want to read everything, yeah, Claude is actually really good at summarizing documents fast. In this guide, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First thing, either upload your document or paste the text directly into Claude. Make sure the content is complete so it can understand everything. Next, clearly ask for a summary. So don't just say summarize this. Instead, be specific about what kind of summary you want. All right, set the length. You can ask for a short summary, bullet points, or a detailed breakdown. Now ask for key points. This helps you extract only the most important information from the document. Next, request section by section summaries. So, this is useful for long research papers or textbooks. All right, if the document is complex, ask Claude to simplify it. This makes it much easier to understand quickly. And yeah, you can even convert summaries into study notes or revision points. This is great for exams or quick learning. So that's how you summarize documents using Claude AI. Once you use these steps, you can understand long content in just a few seconds.